everyone, welcome to philviestory. Today I'll be helping little Klaus to do his homework. There's a home project for them from the kindy. So today we will show you how to make a simple muffin recipe that is so easy to do, even a 4-year-old can do it. Okay, sit back. So for the ingredients, we will need flour, oil, buttermilk, sugar, egg, baking powder, vanilla extract, and salt. So now you're gonna pour this into the bowl. Try to knock. First, we need to add all the dry ingredients. Which one is dry, Klaus? This one. What's this? Sugar. And then what do we have some more that is dry? This one. Pour it in. Okay. What else that is dry? No, milk is wet. Salt. Okay. So pour this in. And let me see, a little bit more baking powder. Okay, so now we're gonna stir. I think we use the big one. Big one?
No.
Big one easier. So we're gonna stir. Go round and round. Make sure to stir it completely blend together. Stop. So we're gonna mix this well. Round. Is it mixed well? Okay. So we're gonna move this aside, and then we have egg here. We're gonna make everything into one bowl first. So we're gonna do the egg. So now we're gonna add in the wet ingredients, and we're gonna mix all the wet ingredients into one place first. For now, we're gonna lightly beaten the egg. Is it okay? A little bit more. Okay. Hold on, please. No, we're gonna add all into the milk. Okay, pour in. 1, 2, 3. Right. Then we're gonna add in vanilla extract. 1, 2, 3. Need to add in the oil. 1, 2, 3. Shake. Okay. Then we will need to give this a stir. Yeah, just continue stirring it. So once you're done stirring it, you're gonna pour it into the dry ingredients. Once everything is added into the dry ingredient, we're gonna use the spatula and then mix it. Okay, so we're gonna mix it to well combined, but do not over mix it. Okay? Continue stirring it. Do you still see the flour?
Do they have flour too?
So we're gonna continue mix it until we can see the flour.
Do they have flour too?
Okay, is it all done? Oh, mommy still see some flour down there. Oh, you can't see? Okay, I think we are almost ready. Okay. Hold this. Okay, we're gonna scoop into the cupcake liners. 2. One scoop at a time. 1, 2,
3, 4,
careful your hand.
5,
9, 10, 11, 12. It's all done. Alright, we're gonna put this into the oven, alright? To bake it. Okay? So we have a pot. And careful with your hand. Yes. Then you're gonna turn this one to 25. You're blocking the camera. 25. Okay, good enough. Let's wait for your cake. Okay? Klaus, do you want to eat the muffins? You can take one. Is it still hot? Open it. Okay, you can take a bite. It's okay, you can take a big bite. Is it nice? Is it yummy?